Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faiz Nurbadriansyah with study ID number 2024-3293. In this video, I will explain a practical report of web scraping and big data. First, we have a definition of web scraping. Web scraping is technique for automatically extract data from website page using program or script. All its work send a HTTP request to server, receive HTML response, and then extract data based on HTML structure. Scrape data is stored in formats such as CSV, JSON, or a database for future analysis. And core web scraping libraries in Python. We have a request sent to HTTP request to the server and receive HTML content. Status code is success. Then beautiful shop parse HTML into a traversable structure. Method is find and find all by text or attribute or CSS, CSV or pandas built-in Python module to save scrape data to CSV format. Pandas to advanced analysis. Importance of data and processing. Data is the foundation of all modern information system and the basis for evidence-based decision making. Raw data often contains duplicate, empty value, or inconsistent format. It can be not used directly. Processing, pipeline cleaning, transformation, aggregation to produce accurate and structured data. Principle of garbage in and garbage out. The quality of analysis result depends entirely on the quality of input data. Definition of big data and 5V framework. A college of extremely large and complex data that cannot be processing using a traditional data processing system. First one, we have a volume, massive size of data, and then velocity, speed data is generated and processed. Variety, diversity of data formats, and veracity, level of data accuracy, and value insight that can be extracted. Data collection tools. We have Scrapy, a Python framework for large-scale unscalable nodes, web scrolling and scraping. And then Apache Kafka, streaming platform for collection and processing real-time data. Apache Scoop facilitate data transfer between the relational database and the Hadoop ecosystem. And Beautiful Shop, Python library for parsing HTML and XML documents. And Apache Plum, transfer large volume of log data and centralized storage system. And last one is API and browse extension, official data access via HTTP JSON, visual scraping without writing code. And then we go to scraping. In this web, we vertical scraping in shanghairanking.com. We use a web scrape. First one, we create sitemap. Sitemap is and this URL. After we create a new set map, we add the new selector. The selector ID is Shanghai. And the type is table. We select this table and done selection. And save the selector. After that, we have scrape this site. We have automate scraping and web scrape and refresh. And export sitemap to CSV. And the final this final of data CSV or scraping in a Shanghai ranking. The second, Jupyter. With Jupyter, first thing we do is the important the libraries need for the scraping process. We have request and beautiful shop, CSV, and pandas. And then after that we send to get request to the website, a Pokemon database website. If the status code return to 100, it means the connection was successful and we can start working with the HTML content. Once we have the HTML, we parse it using Beautiful Soup, so it becomes easy to navigate. And then we search for the table with ID Pokédex, and grab all the row inside it. To make sure everything works, we check the total row using the length row, and it's written out that there the Pokemon in the table. We loop through each row and pull out the data from each cell. We have a number, name, type, total stat, and HP. We have to get text type true, keep the text clean. Each Pokemon data is then stored as a directory and add to list call result. simple flow the gets the HTML, and then split by row and split by column and save to list. Before saving to file, we print the data to the console to make sure everything looks right, and then the format is straightforward, something like number one, this number one, name Bulbasaur, type grass poison HP, and this is the optional but really helpful for catching any errors early. And then we save all data to file called Pokemon CSV using the CSV direct write. The header is written first, and then each row of data. After the file is saved, we read it back with the pd read CSV using pandas, and then the data show up as a clean structured data frame and ready to filtering, sorting, or any future analysis. That's all for me for the scraping with Python Jupyter. Thanks for watching.